Hey guys, this is Matt from The Great Adventures, and it is a rainy day here at Dollywood. And one of the things that I'm noticing is the majority of people here are not prepared for the rain. I heard this lady complaining about her socks being soaking wet. Another guy was complaining about his sweat top was drenched. Some people have bought a $14 Dollywood garbage bag to put on. When you're hiking, when you're traveling, when you're doing your thing, you got to have what you need, whether that's an umbrella, a rain jacket, whether that's water, whether that's snacks. Part of being out is being prepared. And if you're not prepared, you're going to lose out. More people are leaving now than staying, and it's because of the rain. And it's just a light drizzle, but over time, you're going to be miserable in this. And again, I'm not talking about extreme hiking or anything like that. I'm talking about you just enjoying yourself with the family being out. And so here's the thing, always be prepared. Have that backpack, have your rain gear, have extra socks, have all the things that you know so you can have a really, really good time wherever you go. Hope this helped you out. Tips and tricks in The Great Adventures.